Dominican for many years, and yes, we're going to find my favorite flavor of rum. So yeah, let's get tasting. Alright, this is tomorrow's first of a sips of rum. This was fermented for 8 years.
It's nice. It's really nice.
It's very nice. It's number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Alright, so this is the 4th one, and it is pineapple. The 3rd one was cinnamon, and the 2nd one was coconut, spiced. It was spiced.
You're already drunk.
I'm not. Alright, so number 5 is apple. Apple. So we're at the second stop after lunch, and we're at basically this farm. We're going to see tons of flowers, beautiful landscapes and scenery, and hopefully have some free samples of their wonderful fruits. So let's rock and roll. Alright, so our day in Puerto Plata was basically a full-on flavor fiesta. We kicked things off at the Macroix Rum Factory, getting a taste of the Caribbean spirit. Then boom, straight into the Dominican lunch that was basically a party on the plate, with live music and dancing a boot. Post-feast, we meandered through the lush garden oasis surrounded by all things tropical. And because we believe in saving the sweetest for last, we wrapped up the day at the organic Dominican Chocolate Factory. Honestly, it was like a foodie dream. If you're up for a tasteful adventure, this tour is your golden ticket. I would definitely recommend it. It was one of the cheapest tours actually on the list. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you around. But until next time, have a wonderful day.